Hey guys, Crazy Good Cuber, and I got the Gan Pyraminx, and this is the standard version, and I've wanted it for a really long time. Sorry I haven't been posting that much. Been really busy with football. Just had a game today. Got some Gan pamphlets, magnet strength. Then let's just get into this Gan Pyraminx. Now I have one of this ever since I've known it was gonna be coming, so like 3 or 4 months ago. Oh. Well, that's unexpected. Seems like every new cube I get now is unexpected. And if you can't tell, I got some lights, so it's a little brighter maybe. So it's really fast. It does lock up, but it's very fast to fix. And I think that's good enough. I'm not gonna do the tips this solve, maybe next solve. Well, I guess I could do it now, just to see how the tips are. Tips are pretty good. Well, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not very fast at Pyraminx. I only know beginner. So there's the first solve on this Pyraminx. Really impressed. It is a little bit what I thought it'd be like. No, I just wish I would make a Gan 3x3 feel like this. I kind of think that the Gan 11M Pro will feel like that. Just by looking at it, this Pyraminx and that one look the exact same. And look like, you can kind of tell like that they would feel good just by telling how smooth it is. So, and also if you like my channel, be sure to go check out Nit Brock the Cuber's channel. He does four-wheel riding videos with me, farming simulator, RC car videos, pretty much random stuff. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, be sure to go subscribe to him. But before you do that, subscribe to me, of course. Just kidding, you can do what you want. And yeah, it's a pretty nice Pyraminx. Okay, that's about it, guys. Gan definitely did not disappoint me with this. So if anybody from Gan or anybody that's friends with Gan ever watches this, be sure to tell them that they did a great job. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.